Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering, It all started about a month ago. I still didn't understand the human custom of clothing at that time, or pet ownership. I would end up learning a lot about one of those things. How bold of you to so fearlessly approach me. Power, the lone hunter, with such demands as to find you adorable and keep you around and take care of you. Fool! I'm only gonna keep you because I need an emergency source of food. You are meaningless to me and also pathetic and weak and also so freaking cute. I'm gonna keep you, love you, and cherish you forever. You'll never leave my side. Feline, come observe this. Is this not the pinnacle of humor? This receptacle is full of liquid. What? You hungry? Eat up, friend. Huh? Oh, you want the milk? Oh, hang on. Always remember that this random milk bowl and Power, the fellow feral, have brought you this delectable treat. I wonder what makes it so tasty? You're weird. Cats are weird. I have been contemplating this creature. Is it not normal for intelligent beings to possess a name? You seem far too smart to simply be called feline for the rest of your maybe-numbered days. Meow? That's a dumb name. I know. How about Jordman? It's brilliant. It just came to me. No. Jordman Goodman Smalls. The third. Do you like it? Too bad. As my own chosen name would imply, I have all the power, and your namesake implies Smalls. This is truly a novel use of emergency food. We lived it up. I made sure Jordan had plenty of food. We feasted upon the bears and the birds. Also, the local cow population. At one point, I encountered a farmer who tripped and fell into my blade. Several times. It wasn't an intentional crime, but I had to get rid of the body, and I was hungry. Still gets me right in the funny bone. You know what, Jordan? I think this has been the best day of my life. Hey! That's my emergency food!
No longer is that the case, for you are gifted with the presence of myself, Lord of the Bats. Witness me in all my mortally wounded glory. This mangy feline is but a pittance to someone like me. Fetch me a tasty human, and let's do a trade.
You think I, Howard the Pharaoh, will bow to you? I am gonna kick you! Anyway, he whooped my ass. With one arm, too. Crazy! There was even a point I was considering why I was even running. It wasn't this part. I just tripped you for some reason. But, like, a few minutes after I realized what it was that was pushing me forward, I had to save Jordan. I had bestowed upon him a name, and with that, he has become more than just food.
Mangy.
That son of a bitch! I shall show him that I, Power the Nimble, am not one to be fucked with! Scum sucker shit eel, I tripped again!
Feline.
No, this isn't the end of my feral reign. I still have just myself and Jordan, and fuck anyone else who tries to insert themselves into my...
Do you understand the importance of wearing clothing in public now, Power?
I feel like I'm suffocating under a bunch of cheap fabric. Why have you chosen this execution method, strange woman? And why am I here anyway?
You're here because you tried to feed me to the bad devil, and now I'm extorting you.
Oh.
Yeah. Anyway, come back tomorrow and I'll introduce you to your new coworkers.
Co-workers? This word is as foreign to me as his concept of clothing. Are they peers who I shall be irking? See, what a silly word. Irking.
That is an incorrect assessment. I am forcing you to work as my employee. Except since you're a fiend, you have no rights, and I can pay you as little as I want. Gosh, I just love the Japanese government. In fact, give me your wallet.
What?
Give me all your money. That's an order.
Joke's on you, I have no money!
This hand on. 216 for the race.
Too bad, suckers! We got a license to party! I can't believe that worked. I signed it with a crayon.
Denji,
Eh? Sorry, I was staring at your boobs.
for this partnership to work, we must become of one mind, perfectly in sync with no— Oh, hey, squirrel!
Okay, got that out of your system?
Yes, I believe we can now begin working on our epic combo attacks. We just need to focus up and— A second squirrel!
Ah, damn it, you crazy broad.
I can smell it nearby. Where did it go? Perhaps it's the first squirrel's brother. Out for revenge!
Hey, come on, chill out!
I have spotted the squirrel!
That's, a big, slimy squirrel.
Denji, if you say banana, I shall unleash my wrath upon this entity. It's like a safe word, unless you're the enemy. Then it's an unsafe word.
So basically, if I say the word, you'll go bananas.
Banana time?
No, wait!
Banana time!
Do the two of you understand why I'm disappointed in you?
Because your self-created laws dictate your heinous punishments?
Because we're fuck-ups?
Among the devils that occupy this city, the KY Jelly Devil was one of the more tame ones. Besides the Party Devil, it was most known for making silly little contracts, like extended use of its abilities in exchange for being able to watch.
Wait, like the sex stuff?
That's gross.
When a devil dies in real life, it gets sent back to hell. When it dies in hell, it will reincarnate, but it usually ends up jaded or traumatized from its time there. I fear the KY Jelly Devil may never be on peaceful terms with the people after this.
Aw, man. I'm sorry, Miss Makima.
I paired you two together because you're both outcasts among the public safety community. I hope the two of you can find common ground and form a strong bond, perhaps familial, or even romantic.
Ew, no thanks. So not my type.
Oh, perhaps I've changed my mind. Our children would be fearsome and full of chainsaws and blood!
No way! I'm more into women like Miss Makima. Like her specifically. You're not even on my radar.
Your radar is defective. If you don't consider me an excellent breeding partner, I no longer enjoy your genetic compatibility.
Oh, that's too bad. I'll have to make some notes on my shipping chart.
This term still confuses me. By what venue have you come to qualify interpersonal relationships as? Oh, relationships. I comprehend it now.
Just try to do better in the future, you two.
Yes, Mommy. I mean Miss Mommy. I mean Mommy Momika. I mean Mommy Ma. I'm sorry.
For every lesson I was given in human culture and customs, yet more queries emerged, and I was still no closer to saving Jordan Goodman Smalls III. Perhaps this Denji could be the key to my goal. Eat Denji!
Yes.
No! Don't eat Denji!
Oh, curses. He asked not to be eaten. Very well then.